Hi guys, today I'm going to IKEA and I'm going to take you along. So let's get started with the video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I have reached IKEA and you can see this is IKEA. This is a furnishing store. So you can see it's a very big store. So on the first floor we went and there's a full furniture setup. So you can see all bedrooms are made and accordingly you can buy. So I really like these curtains. They were super nice and very affordable things you get over there. So you can see I really like this. So I'm definitely going to buy this for my room. So this is a mirror. I really love that also. You can see how beautiful the rooms they have made, and you can see the setup also. Accordingly you can make the same rooms also. I really like this bed also. It's very good. This store is in Navi Mumbai, so you can definitely go there and check out their stuff. So this is their first floor, so we are checking out all the furniture. So you can see we really like the curtains. You can see everything over there was at very nice price, so you can buy it. I just like this kids section also. They had so many good things over there. You can see these little chairs. I really loved them, and these chairs were awesome, and they were not very expensive also. If you're planning for a kid's bedroom, then IKEA is the best place for you to go and buy. These were little pillows. This section you can see is a pillow. There's a nice light section also, so you can see I really love this lights also. So this is on the cash counter floor, so you can get every items over here. So this is the section you can see. You can get everything over there, and you can see this vase. They were really beautiful. If you're planning to renovate your house, please visit here. It's a very amazing place. You can see the vase. They were so amazing. I just love them. This for the plants. There are different sections, so it's a very big place. You can see the mirror section, it is also there. So if you're going, you need to at least have 5 to 6 hours so that you can see the whole place. You can see this is the watch section. This is the chandelier section. You can see they were very nice chandeliers were there. See, I love this white one, amazing. So this is the ground floor. We got this boxes. I got these boxes so that I can keep my kids toys and everything. So it's a very nice thing. We got them this in pink color. Actually we reached there very late, so we cannot buy so much stuff, but whatever we can buy in that time we have purchased it, and we really loved it. You can see it's a very big place. You have to come down, and according to their codes you need to find whatever you want, which you have seen at the upper floor. I really love these chairs. They were only for $2.99. Isn't it amazing? You really need to visit over here, guys. I have given a very small tour. If you want me to do a full vlog, then please let me know in the comment section below. I'll do that for you. You can see these are the place they have kept everything. Are you enjoying?
Yes.
मजा आई?
Guys, आपको जो है ना, हम इस होटल में आओ।
IKEA में।
यहाँ पे आप आया करो।
मजा आएगी ना?
हाँ, मजा आएगी।
बहुत बड़ा है ना?
और है ना, आपको ये भी मिल जाएगा।
सिहान देखो किस पे बैठा है। मजा आई?
हाँ, इस यहाँ पे सीट होती है, उसको पैर खोलना होता है और बैठ जाने का है। तो ये यहाँ से पकड़ के अपने मम्मी पापा को बोलो, यहाँ से पकड़ के घुमाए हमको, और ये बच्चे लोगों के पकड़ने के लिए।
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share my videos and do come here for more such videos. Bye guys, take care.